Well, it's going to be a little short update to let everybody know I'm still around, still kicking. Just haven't been doing many videos. I did a live stream the other night, and it was a lot of fun. Had a good time. And as soon as I shut the camera off, I went to move it, and I guess, I don't know, somehow I pulled on the camera cord to unplug it, and I didn't pull on it right or something. Anyway, it broke the cable, so I had to order another one, I guess. It's a micro HDMI to a regular size HDMI. So I get that done as soon as possible. I enjoy the live stream a lot more than trying to do these videos with content, because I mean, it's, you know, the content out here is well, it's the same thing every day, you know. We sit here, we you know, we wake up, we drink our coffee, we'll make a breakfast, and then sit and wait for lunch, and then you know, drink some more coffee, and then sit and wait for dinner, and then you know, a little snack, little treat of some sort, and then go to bed. So I mean, it's the same thing every day. So struggling with content. Excuse me. The fire restrictions are at moderate. There's really no fire restrictions, but yeah, it's just not worth making a fire out here. You have to make your own pit most of the time, and I'm not into hauling rocks around anymore. It's just a steady stream of traffic through here anyway, so you know, coming in and going out both ways all the time, day and night. So yeah, thought about getting the camera out and setting it up and do some instead of sit out there, you know, around sunrise or so, and do that, and I didn't. So I don't know. There's a device that I can get. I'll probably I have to wait till payday. It's for the for my iPad, that I can hook up a USB camera to it through the lightning connection, you know, the iPhones. I'm going to try to get one of those on payday as well, so that I can set up a telescope and take the telescope camera out and use the iPad instead of trying to drag everything all out there, you know, the laptop, the keyboard, the monitor, and tables and all that. You know, by the time you get everything all set up, I'm tired. So I'll get one of those, that way I can just set the laptop up on the hood, I mean the iPad up on the hood of the truck, and go from there. So that's something I can be looking forward to. And what else? That's just really just about it. I just wanted to do this little update. I'm going to try to do some live streams as soon as I get that cable. Like I said, I enjoy that more. It's more spontaneous. You know, you guys come up with questions, you can ask them right away, and then I'll have to type it all out and wait for me to respond. So I just think it's better. Yeah, so I guess that's it. I'll talk to you later soon.